In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or edit an email after sending it in Gmail. Now, we all have those moments when we hit the send button a little too quickly, only to realize that we forgot something important or made an error. Fortunately, Gmail offers a feature that can save us from those little mishaps. First, let's make sure we're all set up correctly to use this feature in Gmail. Open your Gmail account by navigating to your web browser and typing in Gmail's web address. Once you're logged in, we're going to head over to your settings. In the top right corner of your Gmail page, there's a gear icon. Click on that gear icon, which will drop down a menu. Here, you'll see an option for See All Settings. Click on it to open your settings page. Once you're on the settings page, you'll find multiple tabs. Keep an eye out for the General tab. That's where we need to be. Within the General tab, you'll find various settings, but what we're interested in is the Undo Send option. This feature allows you to recall an email shortly after sending it. You'll see a drop-down menu next to Undo Send, where you can select a cancellation period. Gmail typically offers options between 5 to 30 seconds. I recommend setting it to 30 seconds, just to give yourself ample time to recall any mistakenly sent emails. Now that you've set this up, let's test it out. Compose a new email by clicking the Compose button. Fill in the email as you normally would, but keep in mind that this is just a test email. Once you're ready, go ahead and hit send. Now here's the important part. Immediately after you send the email, look towards the bottom left of your Gmail interface. You should see a notification with the option to undo. Click that undo link to pull back your email, and just like that, your email is unsent and reopens, allowing you to make any necessary changes or simply discard it. Remember, this feature doesn't allow for edits after the cancellation period has expired. If you need to make changes beyond that, you'll have to compose a new email. It's a small window of time, but incredibly useful for catching immediate mistakes. That's it. By using the Undo Send feature in your Gmail settings, you're now equipped to handle those email oopsies with grace. Practice using this feature a few times to get comfortable with it. This simple tool can save a lot of headaches, ensuring your emails are error-free and precisely what you want to convey. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.